Good morning, guys and parents. These are the homeworks for this week. I hope you're having a great family time together. In the page 218, we got the special events for this period. You're gonna fill in the squares the special dates for this month, like this one, May 10, Mother's Day, okay? In the page 219, we got exploring the topic, look at the picture, and answer these questions. For example, we got how has the world changed since you were a baby? For me, the population has grown too much. What are the most important environmental issues nowadays? The global warming. Next to that, we got a living mind map. In your portfolio, make a mind map about the topic Embrace Earth. Collect the ideas that came up in the previous activity and any new ones you can think of. Write words, draw pictures, paste paper clippings, or use other materials to show your ideas. Use a large piece of paper and colors. You got here an example of a living mind map, okay? In the page 220, we got vocabulary builder. In the page 220, we got a vocabulary builder. Listen carefully and repeat with correct pronunciation. Put the words as you hear them. You got the track 24 and track 25 to guide you, okay? In your folder, write the words of the vocabulary and translate to Spanish. Like in the example, solution, the first one, solución. In the page 221, listen carefully to each dialogue and repeat with the appropriate pronunciation and intonation. You're only gonna do that. Only. For Thursday, we got the worksheet. You can print it or copy in your folder. We're going to work it in the video conference the next Thursday, okay? So don't worry. We're gonna work it in the class. And that's all for this week. And remember, your limitation is only your imagination. Goodbye.